This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It's Tuesday, the 17th of July, and we've had some mixed activity overnight as the markets came back from the weekend. The FTSE index, as we can see on screen here, was down 3.7 points, virtually unchanged, or 0.07%. We can see a small red candle there. Still has a higher low, but has a lower high, which call that an inside day, and just shows a lack of direction there. The German DAX was up 8.6 points, or 0.13%. Again, virtually unchanged, as we can see on the chart. French CAC 40 was down 0.9%. It too virtually unchanged, just showing that the mixed activity between the leading indices there in Europe. As we have a look at the US markets, the Dow Jones had closed down 49 points, or 0.4%. It just pulling back a little bit from the gains that had been made on Friday. It closed at 12,727. The S&P 500 index had closed down 3 points, or 0.2% there at 1353. And then we take a look at the Nasdaq index representing technology stocks in the US. It closed down 11.5 points, 0.4%, and closed at 2896. So another inside day there, just showing a real lack of direction in the global markets overall. The VIX index was up 37 cents, or 2.2%, and we don't have our data updated here on the VXX, but it had closed up slightly higher, and that just reflected the uncertainty that had gone on in the markets in general. As we take a look at what had happened in the Australian markets on Monday, we had followed that positive lead from international markets. However, we didn't hold on to our intraday gain. The ASX 200 was up 21 points, closing at 4103, but had actually traded up to a high of 4126, so had lost about 23 points into the closing bell. The SPY is steady ahead of the market open, so we're not really expecting a great deal of activity today. Well, that's our update for Tuesday the 17th of July. We look forward to giving you an update again tomorrow.